So I've been slamming for the freezer for
Chicken nuggets and
a
chips,
full
okay.
day. So let's see.
Chicken nuggets and chips. Well, you don't like chips, do you? So if you want
Can I have those noodles? Because
Oh no.
It's stuck
No,
out.
I'm just going to chips.
No.
It's been hectic, babe.
Mum, noodles. I'll make it.
No, the egg noodles, I ain't got any.
No, not the egg noodles, normal noodles.
Oh, do you know just chips and chicken nuggets?
No.
We can have a few chicken nuggets then. And noodles with it.
It did work, but let's put water in it. So, yeah. You're probably wondering where I've been and why my son burned. Because I've just been to this place. Mum, where have you been?
Like what, Matt?
Like Watervalley. Like Watervalley.
Like watermelon.
Yeah, it's so good. Full recipes in the full video. I'm just gonna warm it up. I mean, I didn't actually make the video, I just did it myself. The snowball sand recipe. And oh my god, guys, it's getting a bit warmer. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my, guys, it's literally slime. And then now I've got to wait for this bowl to actually do it for 5 minutes. And the results are in my other video. So yeah. But I'm gonna just have some local subs. Something about it. So yeah. My face is burnt. Oh my god. I really need the toilet so much because I haven't been all day. Phone number 1. No. It smells really bad, so we're just gonna empty it again. Oops, I'm gonna baby, baby, baby. I'm gonna put it in the windows. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, dancing in the
It's not
moonlight.
make any mess, babe, because the house has been cleaned today.
Whoopsies.
What noodles do you want?
I just want normal, or if you don't have normal, pot noodle. I'm feeling really sick from that ride.
What, do you just want cheese and broccoli pasta?
I'm feeling really sick from that ride. It was that water slide, it made me drop.
You don't want chicken nuggets, no?
No thanks.
What, do you just want that then? You want that?